Welcome to social media. Stay connected, stay protected. Social media helps service members, spouses, partners, caregivers, and families stay connected, but it's important to know how to keep those connections safe and secure. In the next few minutes, you will learn what operational security, or OPSEC, is, what types of information you should never post, and simple steps to protect yourself and your family online. On March 13, 2026, a sailor logged a 35-minute workout into a public fitness app and inadvertently revealed the precise location of an aircraft carrier in the eastern Mediterranean, accurate enough to be confirmed against satellite imagery within about an hour. This act, though innocent, resulted in a serious operational security breach. The ship's near real-time position and movement could be tracked by anyone watching, potentially putting the mission and everyone on board at greater risk. Operational security, OPSEC, is the process of protecting sensitive information about operations, people, places, and routines so adversaries cannot use it to cause harm. OPSEC is a shared responsibility, not just for service members, but for their families as well. The right way is simple. Turn off geotagging and location sharing before posting to social media or using fitness, photo, or other location-enabled apps. Even routine posts can reveal more than intended. Disabling location features helps protect operations, safeguard personnel, and prevent small details from becoming serious security risks. Here's another example of a potential operational security breach. A spouse posts, "So proud of the first of the 55th. Headed out next week for 6 months. See everyone Friday evening at the send-off." That single post reveals a unit name, a deployment window, and a gathering time. An adversary only needs a few details like these to plan around your service member's mission. A safer version. "So proud of my partner. Can't wait to celebrate when they return." No unit, no date, no location. You can still show support without putting anyone at risk. Adversaries actively study public profiles, photos, and comments. They look for repeated patterns, check-ins, equipment photos, location tags, and may send fake friend requests to gather information about deployments, troop movements, operations, or family routines. Be cautious if someone you don't know asks about unit locations, travel dates, or routes. If you're unsure how to respond, refer to your branch's published social media policies. Even a casual photo can reveal installation gates, building numbers, or access badges in the background. Before you post, look past the main subject and crop out anything that shouldn't be visible. Never post unit locations or movements, deployment or redeployment dates, flight times or ship schedules, and details about training exercises. Also, avoid sharing casualty information before official notification. Details about classified systems, pay or legal documents, or information about unit morale. A good rule of thumb: if you wouldn't shout it in a crowd full of strangers, don't post it online. Here are 3 simple habits. First, review your privacy settings. Limit who can see your posts and remove accounts you don't recognize. Second, turn off geotagging on your camera and apps and avoid live posting from bases or training events. Third, enable 2-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords. This reduces the risk of someone hijacking your account to gather or post information in your name. Many military spouses join online groups to find support. Whether these groups are public or private, the same security precautions apply as with any other social media posts. Before every post, pause and ask, who can see this? What could an outsider learn about our location, schedule, or mission? Making operational security a habit protects your service member, your unit, your family, and your entire military community. Remember, OPSEC is a shared responsibility. To learn more, contact your unit OPSEC office, your public affairs office, or visit Military OneSource. It's great to stay connected using social media, but be careful what you share. Thank you for doing your part to protect operational security. Thank you for completing social media. Stay connected, stay protected.